I can't even get the top of the... Yeah. Ugh. Hi, I'm Keoni, and I'm here to talk about the postgraduate community here at the University of York. It's been a funny old year. Trips to campus like this now have tended to be of a social nature because we've been stuck here inside to do all our learning. But it's not been all bad. Since September, Wentworth has been offering all kinds of activities to help us meet people in these testing times, like museum trips and quizzes. I remember doing a quiz in the courtyard here my first week. I wish I had pics, but unfortunately I'm not very good at this vlogging malarkey. The GSA, our very own Postgrad Students' Union, have also, through their many networks, helped to make us feel welcome with a smattering of online and now offline events. And there's a bunch of networks to join, whether you like going on nights out, cooking, are an international student, or a part-timer. But if that's not enough for you, USU societies have provided many an opportunity to explore those interests you never knew you had. I know I've made good use of a couple. And the HRC have been holding many an informal fika for us to natter on about our research to those in other fields. Yes, it's been a year like no other, but it didn't have to be bad. And if we've managed the past 12 months, it'll be amazing whatever you make of it. I've let nothing stop me, well, apart from being pinged by the app, but that'll soon be in the past, right? Right?